We taught quite a few of them at Loyola Law School. How would you respond to that?
So there's sort of two steps there. I don't think you should go to law school unless you want to be an attorney, right? And that's just to start with. But once you graduate, you should try and do a kind of law that interests you, that you're passionate about, that makes it okay or easy to go to work every day. Attorneys notoriously don't like their jobs. But again, as bankruptcy attorneys, we're helping people, our clients like us. It's much more of a pleasing job than it would be if I was, say, doing litigation or doing other things. So that's what I would say is make sure you're getting involved in something for the right reason, that you're going to law school for the right reason, and that you're doing the kind of law you want to do that you could see yourself doing for 10 or 15 or 25 or 35 years, because that's how long your career is going to be.
And we have taught a whole lot of seminars on bankruptcy to not aspiring attorneys, but actual attorneys. And of course, our time at Loyola Law School. And one of the things that we stressed time and time again is that as attorneys, you cannot cross any ethical lines. It is the first way to really destroy your career and at the worst, and your reputation at the least. So one of the things that happens in bankruptcy law is that you talk to a lot of people who have really compelling, sad stories about how they got into the situation that they're in. That could be the loss or serious illness of a loved one, divorce, loss of a job, tragic accident, all kinds of really just sad stories. And it's hard to not hear those stories and feel great sympathy for those clients. But at the same time, as an attorney, you are bound by the ethics of your profession and the bankruptcy code in the bankruptcy arena. And so there are times when you're asked by these people to do things, and they just don't know that what they're asking is not appropriate. But you're asked to do things that would violate those ethical guidelines. And so one of the things that we tell clients all the time, or rather attorneys and students all the time, is do not give in to the request of those clients. You have to really stand up for the ethical standards that you have as an attorney. And throughout your career, that will only reward you. But one transgression can really destroy your reputation and possibly your entire career. So that's something that we hit on that over and over and over again when we were teaching at Loyola. And every seminar we give to new attorneys about bankruptcy, we talk to them all the time about do not cross the ethical barriers that you may be asked to, or your heart may tell you that you should and might be able to get away with, but it's just not worth it.